President Emmerson Mnangagwa linked to alleged illegal mining and cross-border crime. The 14th of August 2025, unverified reports circulating in regional media allege that Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa has been linked to illegal gold mining, activities in South Africa, and cross-border drug trafficking. According to anonymous sources, the alleged operations involve thousands of Zimbabwean nationals working in abandoned South African mines. The claims further suggest that former Zambian President Edgar Lungu, reported to be a holder of a Zimbabwean diplomatic passport, was acting as a courier in transactions connected to these activities. The same sources allege that Mr. Lungu was shot multiple times in South Africa during a reported dispute over a $50 million drug and gold deal that went wrong. It is claimed the deal involved Colombian-origin drugs, gold reportedly worth over $500 million, and networks operating through Zimbabwe. The allegations further name businessman Valden Findlay as an associate in the purported operations. According to the claims, diplomatic channels and immunity were allegedly used to transport illicit goods between Zimbabwe and South Africa. No official statements have been issued by the Zimbabwean government, the Zambian government, or South African authorities confirming these allegations. Law enforcement agencies in the region have not released any public details regarding the reported shooting of Mr. Lungu or its circumstances. Due to the absence of official confirmation, these claims remain unverified, and the individuals named have not publicly responded to the accusations at the time of publication.